Guys, today we're going to pick up a Roomba today. Wow, look at that Roomba. Wow, look at that Roomba. Yeah, guys, look at that. What? It says 155? Don't worry, I have dollars. I can count them. 1, 2, 3. 55? Hey Siri. What's... Okay, sorry guys, I have to... Oh, it's 10. Yeah, I'm so dumb. I have to return that. Wait, I can just keep my 5s. Wait, let me check my wallet. Wait, I have to waste this? No, now I don't have any more letters. So I have 100. So that means I'm going to be poor. Yeah, this is so expensive. Wow. Yeah, I can buy this. Sold. Okay. Now it's bought already. Now we can pay for it. Okay, that would be $155. Okay, here's, ma'am. Oh, thank you. Oh, here's a receipt. Okay, thank you. Yeah, guys, I just bought a Roomba. Okay, let's set up its house first. Oh, this is home? Ew, that's not a home. That's a box. So, wait, I think this is its home. Wait, if it's perfectly in. Wait, I just have to plug it in. So, let me plug it in. And it's flashing green. Oh, yeah. That means it's ready to be, yeah. Look at that, guys. Oh my god, it's flashing green. Let's put that in. Well, it shows the battery, what it has. That's cool. And even it has a dirt home. That's cool. Guys, let's clean it. Okay, let's see how it picks up. Let's see if it can pick up this paper piece. Nope, it just goes away randomly. Okay, let me make it more small because it's a paper, so. Alright, here we go. Good boy, yes. Okay, it's going to put it in the basket and good boy. Yes, good boy. Yes, good. Okay, I'm going to return it back. It's at home.